Look, one thing to understand that he's asking you the resistance of another wire, the same material of length 3 and 0.9 meter. Please underline the important things when you read the question, okay? And then this 2 meter is given, length 2 meter is given, and he said the wire had a cross section and had a resistance of this. So they're the same material. So what we can do is, if I start doing this question, just look at this line, and you start doing the question, you will say, okay, R is equal to rho LA. And then a mistake you will make is wasting time. Thing you will do is, you will first is see, okay, I don't have rho. So you will just write this rho, and then L will be 3 meters. And then you will wonder, uh, what should I do with this? Because this is the area. So you will see the units are not right. The units are not right. So then you might convert this into meter square, and that would take a lot of time. Don't do that. I'll tell you why. You see, when you see this part, of course, rho is not there, so you can get rho from here by doing this, the same nonsense there. You can say R is equal to rho LA, and you can say rho is equal to A into R by L. And then again, you will come here and say, oh, area is in 0.40. Why not convert it into meters square? You can do that, but you will be wasting time. And length is 2 meters, and 0.14 is the ohm. And then you start calculating it here, and then you put it here, and then you get the answer. But don't do that. I'll tell you why. You see, I can write this as R1, and this as length 1, area 1. This is R2. Rho is the same, it's the same material. L2, A2. Then what do you, no, you can just substitute or divide anything. So R1 by R2 is equal to rho L1 by A1 over rho L2 by A2. Rho cancels. And then what happens is, this will become R1, this implies R1 by R2 is L1 A1 into A2 L2, which is nothing but A2 by A1 L1 into L1 by L2. And here the units cancel out. So if you now plug in the values, like A2 is 0.90 and 0.40, and length is 2 and 3, what happens is, the length and the meter goes away, right? The millimeter goes away, right? So we don't have to convert it into you R1 by R2, you get a ratio. So the answer to this would be R1 is given. We need R2, right? R1 is given as 0.14. So R2 would be 0.14 into 4 by 9. Even the decimals don't have to worry, into 3 by 2. So this would make it, um, you see, everything is cancelling. You are getting 0.14 into 2 by 3, which is whatever, 0.09 something. I'll just check the answer.